uvodu v dirko po Sloveniji, 25. jubilejna. Dear guests, respected cyclists, good day at the beginning of the jubilee 25th cycle race Tour of Sloveniji. Tokrat smo na začetku prvič v Moravskih Toplicah, v eni izmed naših destinacij, ki jih radi omenjamo vse povsod po svetu, tudi z turističnega vidika. Vse skupaj se bo dogajalo skorajda po vseh pokrajinah Slovenije od danes do nedelje. Šli bomo tudi prek meje na Madžarsko in v Avstrijo in seveda nas veseli, da smo po nekaj časa znova v Prekmurju. This time we start in Moravske Toplice, which is the first time to host the race Tour of Sloveniji. At the same time, I am pleased that the race returned to Prekmurje, and I especially welcome all representatives of Prekmurje municipalities. Torej, pozdrav vsem tistim, ki zastopate Prekmurje in ki ste se z našim organizacijskim direktorjem Bogdanom dogovorili za to, da je dirka po Sloveniji prav ob jubileju znova v Prekmurju, kjer smo tudi v tistih uvodnih letih zelo radi bili in se spominjamo tistih izjemnih sprintov v Beltincih in pa, ko smo gostovali tu pri vas. Predvsem bi v tem trenutku na prvem mestu pozdravil naše akterje, naše kolesarje. Hello to my guests, first of all, the course riders. Lanski zmagovalec, last year winner from Poland, Rafał Majka. Potem je še na prihodu, v tem trenutku je še na kolesu, nekoliko kasneje so prišli kolumbijec Rigoberto Urán, ki je lani na Touru osvojil drugo mesto in ima tudi olimpijsko medaljo iz Londona. Colombian Rigoberto Urán, last year second at Tour de France and Olympic medalist from London on a road race. Potem Nemec Marcel Kittel, German Marcel Kittel, one of the best sprinters, if not the best in the world in this moment in World Series. Britanec Mark Cavendish se je nasmejal in me grdo pogledal v tem, kar sem rekel prej. From Britain, Mark Cavendish, he is smiling, who returns to the race after Tour of Slovenia. Also, he is the hero of the stages in Tour, Vuelta and Giro. In seveda ne moremo mimo našega junaka, pred dnevi še četrti na svetovni lestvici, v tem trenutku 8. tudi zmagovalec dirke po Sloveniji in svetovni podprvak, in če sedaj začnem še vse ostalo naštevati tudi iz letošnje sezone, bodo fantje zamudili večerjo. Dame in gospodje, Primož Roglič. Tu so z mano oziroma z nami tudi gospa magistra Livija Kovač-Konstantinovič, ki prihaja iz Slovenske turistične organizacije, head of PR Corporate for Slovenian Tourist Organization, Magister Livija Kovač-Konstantinovič. Župan Murske Sobote oziroma mestne občine Murska Sobota, da ne bo kaj narobe, torej the mayor of the Murska Sobota, Mr. Dr. Aleksandar Jevšek. In seveda brez njega ne gre organizacijski direktor dirke and tireless leader of the race, organizational director Bogdan Fink. Dame in gospodje, cenjeni kolesarji, začeli bomo pri edini dami, ki sem jo predstavil, gospa magistra Livija Kovač-Konstantinovič. Torej, vodja korporativnega PR-ja pri Slovenski turistični organizaciji. Veseli nas še enkrat, da je Slovenska turistična organizacija z nami in prosim za nekaj besed.
Najlepša hvala za besedo. Spoštovani organizator, spoštovani župani, cenjeni tekmovalci 25. dirke po Sloveniji, dragi novinarji in novinarke. Veseli me, da vas lahko pozdravim v svojem imenu in v imenu Slovenske turistične organizacije, ki že drugo leto partnersko pristopa k temu res pomembnemu projektu. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I'm honored and happy to address you at this year's Tour. Slovenia is the greatest cycling event in the country and it's also one of the greatest sports events in this region. It is so an excellent opportunity for promoting Slovenia as a green, active and healthy destination. The Slovenian Tourist Board has been involved in this project with many activities, such as support for advertising on the international and extremely influential television network Eurosport. The STB also organized the project Cycling Ambassadors of Slovenia to promote the tour and Slovenia as a perfect cycling destination. The wonderful landscape of Slovenia, the excellent atmosphere, the hospitality, and the brand IP Slovenia. These are the messages that STB and the local communities communicate with the tour to the world. So, I invite you to support the cycling teams, enjoy the beautiful landscape, and share your impressions with the hashtag IP Slovenia, hashtag Fight for Green, and hashtag Tour of Slovenia. Thank you.
Hvala lepa. Thank you for Mrs. Olivia Kovač-Konstantinovič. In sedaj predajam besedo gospodu županu mestne občine Murska Sobota, gospodu doktorju Aleksandru Jevšku.
Spoštovani kolesarji, spoštovani predstavniki medijev, najlepše je biti na tiskovni konferenci, kot ti povedal, bodi zelo kratek. Govorim v imenu županov občin, skozi katere teče prva etapa in dovolite mi, da posebej izpostavim, to sem si pa dovolil, kolega Kardinarja, ki je motor županski pri tej dirki in hvala ti, da si jo na nek način skupaj z Bogdanom pripeljal tukaj v našo regijo. Za našo regijo je to vrhunski športni dogodek, hkrati pa je to tudi vrhunski dogodek in priložnost za promocijo regije iz razlogov tudi ogleda te dirke. Dear guests, people said that our hearts in Prekmurje region are opened like our nature. Please have that and enjoy in your team.
Hvala lepa. Torej, zahvaljujem se tudi gospodu županu mestne občine Murska Sobota, ki se je še posebej zahvalil tudi gospodu Marjanu Kardinarju, ki prihaja iz Dobrovnika. Seveda je Dobrovnik tudi eno od prizorišč, kjer bomo gostovali jutri. Also, thanks for Mr. Marjan for all this. In sedaj smo že pri organizacijskem direktorju, organization director of this Tour of Sloveniji, Bogdan Fink. Bogdan, kje je v tem trenutku dirka? Prav veliko možnosti popravka ni več. Začnete ju.
Hvala. Da bo šlo hitreje, bomo začeli kar v angleščini. This year's 25th edition is 5 days race. Thank you guys for coming. It's going to be a spectacular race. And it's also an honor to have all good teams here in Slovenia some of them for the first time. We're going to do everything to make a good race, but at the end, riders decide how tough the stage are. So I wish you guys and all the teams on the race good week here in Slovenia, and that you will take good memories afterwards.
Ja, ste slišali in najverjetneje vam prav veliko niti ni potrebno prevajati. Bogdan je seveda zaželel fantom. Fantje so tisti, ki bodo krojili dirko in tako je običajno in vedno na kolesarskih dirkah. Že obrazi, ki jih vidimo tule, so obrazi, ki jih običajno nismo videvali in to so obrazi, ki jih običajno videvamo na največjih dirkah. 9 ekip svetovne serije je z nami in prav je, da jim sedaj predamo tudi besedo. Začenjamo z našimi kolesarji and now there is the cyclist. Last year winner was Rafal Majka in najprej bomo vprašali nekaj besed o pričakovanju o letosni dirki. Rafal, welcome in Slovenia once again. A few words about the readiness of this race, what you expect.
Hello everybody. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, for sure we expect good race like last year, and yeah, well, I come with some of my teammates from straight to training camp here in Nevada, and without some break, this is like we try to training good in also in Slovenia. This is like before the tour, and we have good team here, and for sure we try to do it something, and it's better when it's more better riders here, and then it's more strong race and more hard.
Maybe one change this year, not 4, 5 days. This is the big opportunity for you or not?
Yeah, for sure, then it's better than it's 5 days and 4 then. We have 1 day more. Less training, more race, and it's okay, you know.
You were already on the bike today?
Yeah, we did 1 hour and very nice weather. It was really warm, and I like it, and should be nice race.
First impression of today cycling? The road?
Oh, the road is good.
And your preparation?
The preparation, I think, so is coming well, and yeah, we have good riders like Davide Formolo also, when he's finished top 10 in Giro Italia, and for sure we have good shape, and I need to see how is my shape, you know, I do it only in training, and but it's still okay, I think so, yeah.
And finally, your favorite for this race, Rafal Majka?
He's playing left side for me, huh? Yeah, for sure, we have different race, and we have the Sancho, and yeah, but I want to do a good race, you know, it doesn't matter whether I win or not, and I want to do a good training, and yeah, we try with 2 guys, me and Davide Formolo, to try something, but we know that it's big favorite is this guy, and yeah, we have the Central, and this is a little bit different than last year, and yeah, but we need to try something.
This guy, the first, second or the first?
The third.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rafal. Seveda po pravilih novinarskih konferenc pri nas, če želite, da se spotoma prevajajo stvari, bomo seveda prevajali, ampak bomo pretirano zadrževali fante. Če je prevajanje potrebno, me prosim upozorite, da ne bi potem kdo, ki je zapisal ali povedal, da pač na uradni novinarski konferenci v Sloveniji govorimo samo angleško. Bodo pa fantje tudi na voljo za pogovore 1 na 1, tako da bodo na voljo, in tudi Rigoberto Uran, ki je v tem trenutku še na kolesu, naj bi se nam pridružil, in v nadaljevanju naj bi tudi Rigoberto Uran z vami spregovoril nekaj besed. Marcel, welcome, willkommen. Torej, Marcel Kittel je tudi z nami. 19 zmag na etapnih dirkah, če se omejim zgolj in samo na Tour, Vuelto in Giro, 14 na Touru, 19 stage victories at Tour, Vuelta in Giro, vse ostalo je v domeni domišljije in pa seveda statistike, in Marcel Kittel je tudi z nami. Marcel, how many wins this year will be yours? I'm Leipzig.
That I don't know. You never know before you start the race. But when you look to the stages, then there is actually only two opportunities for the sprinters. Maybe even only one. I don't know how hard the second stage is. And then we will see. But first of all, the sprinters are concentrated on tomorrow. I'm concentrated on tomorrow.
Team Katusha is still on the road today. Your impression?
Yeah, we just also went for a short hour, had a look at the final course of tomorrow in the city, and yeah, went a little bit out of town as well. So it's really beautiful. It actually reminds me a little bit of my home region in Germany. It's pretty similar. Smaller villages and a lot of nature, so I like that. And I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
Decision to appear in Slovenia when you decided for this or decided for your team or yours?
Yeah, every year, I think every sprinter, every pure sprinter is looking a little bit what he's going to do, and this year was a pretty simple choice because it was, as always, every year very hard for the Tour de Suisse, so it's great to have a choice here. For us to go into another race before the Tour, the last stage race, and prepare yourself.
Is this only preparation for the Tour or maybe something else?
I think it's in general always nice to do a new race. I've never been here at least for racing. I've been here a long time ago with my parents for holiday, but there's only good memories of it, so I was still young, but I like that. New impressions and do something new.
You saw the start list, maybe your favorite?
Sorry?
Maybe who is your favorite? You see the start list?
You mean for the
this
for the GC,
yeah.
the general classement?
For GC.
Yeah, I think Primoz is. I mean, I don't want to put too much pressure on him, but I think he's also very motivated for this race, and everyone will look to him.
Hvala lepa, thank you, Dankeschön. Torej, Marcel Kittel je tudi povedal nekaj svojih pogledov na vse skupaj. Slišali ste veliko zanimivega in verjamem, da ga boste povprašali tudi v nadaljevanju. Bil je starši tudi v Sloveniji, ima nekaj spominov, nekaj rahih spominov iz otroštva. Da je bil v Sloveniji, sedaj ali se spomni, ali je bil v Moravskih Toplicah ali ne, ali v kakšnih drugih toplicah tudi v Prekmurju, pa ga bomo pobarali v naslednjih dneh, morda se bo spomnil, ko bo pojedel kaj več slovenske hrane. Mark Cavendish, welcome once again in Slovenia. Torej, Mark Cavendish je tudi z nami, also the winner of the stages in all three of the biggest races in the world, Tour, Vuelta and Giro. Mark, you were already in Slovenia. The impressions were good at this time. What can you say about this year? Impressions in Slovenia now?
Yes, my third time back at Tour Slovenia. Last year was my only race between Kevin Blanchard-Field and the Tour de France, and actually it was perfect. It was a perfect race to do in June. This race has been gradually getting faded out in professional cycling, really. So there's nothing really to race for anymore. You don't go for the Grand Tours, and to have an opportunity provided with the Tour Slovenia is nice. And actually considering this year's even stronger field than last year. Last year we had some of the highest power numbers for the whole year, you know, it was a good race, and that was a beautiful country. The only thing I'm missing this year is we had that dinner last year. You know, the food we had last year, we have that okay. Actually, the only reason I came back, it was so good. No, I really like it. I really like it here. Like, everyone's real biased into the race. Like, there's crowds out, and it's a beautiful country, so I'm happy to be back in Slovenia.
Okay, this year there are lots of problems with injuries. How it is now? You are fit?
Well, a lot of problems with injuries, really. A couple of injuries. I think I was worse last year when I was in bed for 2 months. okay, thank you. You don't mind me, do you?
Which is the
I love most parts of Slovenia.
Which is your stage, tomorrow or
Yeah,
Thursday?
myself, there's just two opportunities for the sprinters, hopefully. But like we talked about, with the stronger competitive field in the GT, we could have changed things up for the second opportunity, but definitely a good opportunity. This next one, we'll be looking to try and get the green jersey.
When I said in the beginning that Marcel is one of the best, you just smiled and look at me. Why you don't look on the other side, Marcel?
Did you write for a tabloid newspaper?
No. What do you expect for these days? Many sprinters in the started.
Yeah, like I said, it's a great opportunity to be able to come and race at this time of the year for sprint. So it's attracting a great lineup of sprinters as well as a great lineup of GT riding. So yeah, as the case, my team, we've had bad luck this year. We haven't got, I don't even know our final roster actually right now. I think we're a man down, but do best for the sprint and more extra here, and then see what happens. Leave these guys to it for the rest of the race. We'll enjoy the countryside.
And what you say about the favorites of this year Tour of Slovenia?
I think everyone's picked 2016 was really, you would maybe not put in.
Okay. Tega res nismo hoteli oziroma želeli, da bi sedaj nalagali kakšno pretirano breme na našega šampiona, ampak fantje so se odločili kot so se. Mogoče je tudi kaj teh prijemov drugačnih, ampak kakorkoli že, Primož Roglič, zmagovalec 2015 in brez dvoma Primož Roglič, najboljši slovenski kolesar v tem trenutku, bil je četrti po tisti drugi zmagi letos v Romandiji na svetovni seriji. Biti četrti v svetovni seriji, se predstavljate, biti četrti na svetovni lestvici. Ampak v tem trenutku Primož bo še malo počakal, če govori Primož, prednost damo tujcem. Z nami je v tem trenutku tudi Rigoberto Urán.
Hello, Ernesto. Hello, how are you?
Torej, ste videli, kako hiter je bil Rigoberto Urán, ki je eden od tistih, ki bo v vrhu najverjetneje v petek in soboto. Rigoberto Urán, bronze Olympic medal from London, and last year the second on the Tour de France. Once more, we are very grateful to you come here very fast. We are pleased to have you come to see what your plans, what plans you have for this year, your first tour of Slovenia.
It's my first tour in Slovenia. I'm really happy. I like this country, it's really hot. For me, it's good preparation. I prefer to race, small race before the tour. The same last year. I know like Tour de Suisse because it's too long, it's raining, it's cold. Also Dauphiné, I prefer Slovenia.
This year, ste slišali vse, torej raje se je prišel pripravljati na dirko sem, kot pa na Dauphiné. This year, tour will be a bit later than usual. This preparation where you would include it. The tour starts one week later than usually. This is only preparation, or you want to win in this race?
Win may be difficult because you have these guys really strong for in Slovenia. For me, only this race is train and preparation, you know?
Okay, for Tour de France.
Yes, for Tour de France. Maybe looking one stage, it's difficult. This guy is really strong, you know? For this training, preparation for the Tour de France.
But space,
Maybe one stage.
space in Friday and in Saturday,
No,
it's very good for you.
yeah, maybe Sunday.
Maybe Sunday,
Maybe Sunday.
not Friday.
No Friday, no.
Friday is open.
It's open. No, I prefer the last day, the individual exercise.
Okay. Where do you see yourself advance? Only stage is for you important in this moment.
Yeah, because I had my preparation for the Tour de France starting in December, you know. Every race is giving more and more. And Slovenia is the same, using my best conditions.
Okay. In this moment also is the Tour of Switzerland. Why you prepare for Tour of Slovenia? Why you come here?
Because, you know, it's only 5 stages.
5 stage is enough.
You know, yes, you know, for me, yes. Tour de France 21 is too much, no?
Top goal for the Tour de France.
Yeah.
First place.
Oh, amazing. Thank you, Maggie. You are
Ja, fino je, da je prišel tudi Rigoberto Urán. Hvala lepa še enkrat. Gracias za našega Rigoberta Urana. Še enkrat bronasta olimpijska medalja v testni preizkušnji v Londonu in pa lani drugi na Tour de France, torej na največji večetapni dirki. Vsi bodo na voljo tudi za pogovore 1 na 1. Vas pa že sedaj prosim, da ste pri tem zelo ekspeditivni, kajti fantje imajo svoja pravila igre in tudi vse tisto, kar jih čaka pred jutrišnjo prvo etapo. In sedaj, seveda, kot radi rečemo, list but not last, Primož Roglič, Primož, nismo želeli tega res ne, da bodo vsi nalagali to obremenitev na tvoja pleča, ampak v prvi vrsti dobrodošel, veseli smo, da si znova z nami, beseda dve o tem, kaj sam pričakuješ od tem.
Yeah, thank you for a nice welcome. I'm also really happy to be first place at home, to race on home road and in front of home people. So it's something special. It really a lot to me because normally all those people are just watching some series, and now they can see it in real. So it will be really nice. Like all the guys said, I'm the favorite or something, but the thing is that we all start from zero, or I also don't start with advantage or something. So I think, like always, it will be a big fight from the stage 1 to for sure the last day, and just looking forward for tomorrow to start the race.
Primož, nekaj časa te nismo videli na dirkah, na zadnje po Romandiji, nekaj besed o tem je tudi zate, dirka po Sloveniji, pripravljalna dirka za Tour.
Yes, as we know, I'm also racing them later at Tour de France, so it's also for me the last race before the Tour, so last like a little test to see what needs to do, what we can improve, at the end of this race, for sure we will get out for what we can for.
V petek se bo karavana vodila tudi po svojih krajih, torej po domačih krajih. Seveda vedno govorimo o Zagorju pa o Kisovcu. Marsikdo niti ne ve, da si pravzaprav iz Strahovelj in da je Kisovec pri Strahovljah oziroma Zagorje pri Strahovljah, ko sedaj govorimo seveda z vidika kolesarskega športa. Bo to nekaj posebnega?
Yes, now I notice. I speak Slovenian or of course, it's quite crazy that the race will pass like my hometown. So I expect a lot of my neighbors and friends and everyone to be there around, and for sure will be really special thing to ride with all these guys on my home road.
In samo še, kdo je tvoj favorit, your favorit?
Yeah, my favorite, like I said already from the beginning, I think that everyone who starts with on the starting line almost has the same chances from the beginning, so for sure we can expect a big fight in the end, and for sure at the end the
Ja, slišali ste tudi Primoža Rogliča. Maybe there is one question for all of us that I not asked you, and somebody you want to say something special? Marcel? Everything's okay?
I can say something, yeah. I start with thank you for the warm welcome here in Slovenia, and I think it's the beginning of everyone. We're all looking forward to it, and we're also really motivated to do another race and to enjoy our time.
Maybe Mark?
Where do you get this guy from? That's the question I'm going to ask.
Rafał, maybe?
Good luck everybody and see you tomorrow.
And Rigoberto?
I could say maybe I need an airport because it's hot here.
Like in Colombia?
Oh, no.
More. Okay. Primož, ste okay? Torej, še enkrat thank you Marcelu, Marku, Primožu in seveda tudi Rafalu in Rigobertu.